In the crypto market, new projects appear all the time. But when one project keeps coming up in conversations, adds a DEX system, expands its ecosystem, you start asking, what exactly is Rocafi? I'm Bella, and you're watching Money Mind 3D, where we break down business, economics, and crypto in a simple and clear way. Today, let's understand Rocafi step by step. Rocafi is a DeFi, decentralized finance project built on blockchain technology. DeFi means financial systems that operate without banks or centralized intermediaries. Users manage and interact with their funds directly through smart contracts on the blockchain. Rocafi has its own native token called ROCA, which powers its ecosystem. Rocafi's focus includes a decentralized earning ecosystem, staking mechanisms, a DEX, decentralized exchange integration, community-driven growth. The DEX integration is especially important. It allows users to trade directly from their wallets without relying on centralized exchanges. This can improve accessibility and liquidity if adoption follows. The ROCA token is used for utility within the ecosystem, staking rewards, governance participation. This means holders may participate in decisions related to the platform's development. There are a few possible reasons: new system integrations, increased community interest, speculation around altcoin season, market resilience compared to other tokens. However, attention does not automatically equal long-term success. Hype and fundamentals are not the same thing. This is one of the most common questions. In crypto, 100x gains are possible, but they are rare and require massive adoption, strong real-world utility, solid tokenomics, sustainable ecosystem growth, supportive market conditions. Prediction is easy, execution is hard. Every crypto project carries risk: volatility risk, liquidity risk, execution risk, market cycle risk. That's why smart investing is based on research, not emotion. Rocafi appears to be a developing DeFi ecosystem with new integrations and growing attention. But no project should be evaluated based purely on hype. Smart investors don't chase excitement. They analyze data, fundamentals, and long-term sustainability. If you want a deeper breakdown of Rocafi's tokenomics, roadmap, and growth potential, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Money Mind 3D.